We have something special to unbox. It's the Tower Vortx 8-litre dual basket air fryer, the latest addition to the world of culinary innovation. Costing £130, this heavyweight has features which makes everyday kitchen life simple, and I can't wait to show you what's inside this sleek packaging. So let's get started. We are greeted with a beautifully designed box that showcases the Tower Vortx logo. The box is quite sturdy, which is always a good sign. It already builds anticipation for the goodness that awaits us. Let's open this up and reveal the contents. The first thing we see is the user manual. It's always a good idea to read through the manual to understand all the features and functions of this air fryer. Next, we have the warranty card. Remember, it's important to register your product for warranty purposes. Keep this card in a safe place. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The Tower Vortx dual basket air fryer, which boasts an impressive 8-litre capacity, allowing you to cook large quantities of food effortlessly. It comes in a sleek and modern black design that fits perfectly into any kitchen decor. It's definitely a showstopper for any kitchen. Now let's take a closer look at the features. We have these dual baskets. Each basket has its own 4-litre capacity, allowing you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously. Perfect for those who want to save time and cook multiple dishes at once. The baskets are non-stick, making it easy to clean up. They also have a cool touch handle, ensuring safety whilst handling hot food. The 8-litre capacity is perfect for families or when you are entertaining guests. Moving on, we have the digital control panel on the front. It's user-friendly and allows you to set the temperature and cooking time easily. The Tower Vortx 8-litre dual basket air fryer also offers various preset cooking functions, such as frying, baking, grilling and roasting, making it versatile for all your cooking needs. Another great feature is the rapid air circulation technology, which ensures even cooking and crispy results without the need for excessive oil. This means healthier meals for you and your family. On the back, we have the air vent system, ensuring proper ventilation during the cooking process whilst keeping the exterior cool to touch. Let's put this air fryer on, and what I want to see is how loud it is. It's on a random setting. I currently own a Tefal one, which is amazing at cooking, but it's too loud. If you want to see the unboxing for that, please check my channel. That is impressive. It's a lot quieter than my Tefal air fryer, which is a massive positive. We have a dual layer rack, which is perfect for cooking different types of food simultaneously whilst maximizing the cooking space. In conclusion, the Tower Vortx 8-litre dual basket air fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It offers a generous capacity, dual baskets for simultaneous cooking, user-friendly controls, and delivers deliciously crisp results without the need for excessive oil. It's versatile, convenient and perfect for anyone looking to enjoy healthier versions of their favourite fried foods. I highly recommend giving it a try if you're considering an air fryer for your kitchen. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed the Tower Vortx 8-litre dual basket air fryer.